Hello, everyone, and welcome to Miss English Vibes. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel right now. We are so happy you are here today. I am your host, Hope, and with me today is my amazing co-host.
Hey everyone, I am Mark, and I am so excited to be here with you all. Hi to all our new listeners. Welcome to the Miss English Vibes family.
Today's episode is very special, especially for all our beginners. We are going to teach you basic English conversation in the most fun and easy way possible. No boring textbooks, just real, natural English.
That is so right, Hope. And trust us, by the end of this episode, you will feel so much more confident. So sit back, relax, and let's learn English together.
Okay, everyone, let's start with the basics. The very first thing we learn in English is how to greet people.
Yes, Hope. And greetings are so important because the first thing you say makes a big impression. So, Hope, what are the most common greetings in English?
Great question, Mark. Let's go through them one by one. Hello, the most common. Hi, more casual and friendly. Good morning, said before 12 p.m. Good afternoon, said after 12 p.m. Good evening, said after sunset.
I love it. Now, listeners, please repeat after us. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Amazing. You are already doing great.
Now, Mark, how do we ask someone how they're feeling?
Oh, that is easy. We say, how are you? How are you doing? How is everything going? And the replies are, I am fine, thank you. I am doing great. Everything is going well, thanks.
Perfect, Mark. Listeners, these are the sentences you will use every single day, so please write them down in your notebook. Okay, Mark, let's give our listeners some quick tips to help them practice English every day.
Great idea, Hope. Okay, everyone, here are our top tips. Tip 1. Practice every day, even just 10 minutes. Tip 2. Speak out loud. Don't just read silently. Tip 3. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Tip 4. Watch English videos with subtitles. Tip 5. Write new words in a notebook every day.
And our most important tip, Mark?
Never give up. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Every single day, you are getting better and better. Just trust the process and keep going.
Beautifully said, Mark. I totally agree. And remember, we are always here to help you on this journey.
You guys are absolutely rocking it.
And that is a wrap for today's episode of Miss English Vibes. Thank you so much for listening. It truly means the world to us.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who want to learn English.
We will see you in the next episode with even more fun English lessons. Until then, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.
Okay, everyone. Now let's talk about introducing yourself. This is super important, especially when you meet someone new.
Absolutely, Hope. So let me show everyone how to introduce themselves. My name is Mark. Tell your name. I am from Brazil. Tell your country. I am a student. Tell your profession. I am 25 years old. Tell your age. Nice to meet you. Always say this.
Now, let me put it all together so our listeners can hear a full introduction. Hello, my name is Hope. I am from Brazil. I am an English teacher. It is so nice to meet you. See how natural that sounds?
Now, listeners, your turn. Just replace our names and country with yours. Say it out loud. Don't be shy. Confidence is the key to speaking English.
That is so true, Mark. And remember, nobody is perfect in the beginning. Every expert was once a beginner.
Now, this is my favorite part. We're going to do a real-life conversation live right here. So listeners, pay close attention. We will go slow so you can follow along easily.
Yes, and after our conversation, we will explain every sentence. Ready, Hope? Let's go.
Good morning, Mark. How are you today?
Good morning, Hope. I am doing great, thank you. And you?
I am wonderful. Thanks for asking. Hey, I don't think we have met before. What is your name?
Oh, really? My name is Hope. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Hope. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil. And you?
I am from Faisalabad, Pakistan. What do you do, Hope?
I am a student. Actually, I'm learning English. And you?
Oh, how wonderful. I am an English teacher.
That is amazing. I am so happy I met you today.
Me too. Keep it up. You're doing really well.
Thank you so much, Mark. That means a lot.
Of course. Well, it was so nice talking to you, Hope.
Same here. See you soon. Take care.
You too. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.